today's project. I will upcycle the tongue of this worn out Jordan 2 Alternate 87 to create a hand-stitched card holder wallet. This channel will allow me to do a lot more in depth with you guys, to show you the shoes, to show you some more details of the projects that I can't really do with reels and shorts. And these soles are worn out. Hole right through here. Visible air unit. I'm gonna take that apart. Rip that right off. Doesn't feel like there's anything left in it. I think it's already popped. Yeah, nothing. Yeah. For our first card holder. If you hung around this long, I appreciate you. Somebody's gonna win the card holder featured in today's video. Rules are simple. Just sub to the channel and leave a comment below. Winner will be selected from the comments on Friday, October 13th, 2023.